Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yesi, and I'm back with another video. Today, I am going to be doing another look with the Natasha Denona Pastel palette. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so today I'm going to do another look using this pastel palette from Natasha Denona. And let's see, my last look I used these three colors right here. So I'm gonna try and use something different, maybe with the peach, the orange, and the aqua blue, maybe, or even this color right here. I'm not sure. It's a mint frost color, so something along these lines. But yeah, I just want to use more colors. I mean, I did enjoy the look that I came up with in my previous look, so yeah, let's get started. So far I have my brows filled in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Ebony, and I filled them in with the duo powder in Ebony as well. I also primed the lids with MAC Paint Pot in soft ochre, just because, you know, we're going in with pastel colors and I want the colors to pop a little bit. So, and I set that with translucent powder, just a tad bit, not too much. So that's all I have going on the eyes right now. So now let's jump right in. So I think I'm gonna go in with the color Bellini, which is this color right here, and I am going to apply that to my crease. Grab my brush and I'm just gonna apply it to this crease right here. Now, from what I remember is I have to, well, since we're working with pastels, we want to pat the color first and then we want to blend. Now, pastel colors are all light. You're not gonna get much depth with them, but you can build up the color so you can see the actual color, the brightness. Okay, so I'm okay with the color right now. I'm gonna go in with a different color, and I think I'm going to go in to Starlet, which is this, I don't know, it looks copper. It's a shimmer shade, this one right here, and I'm gonna use that color in the outer part of the crease right here. Not the crease, the lid. So I'm gonna grab this brush. Yeah, so picked up nicely, and I'm just gonna apply this to the outer part of the lid right here. And that color is called Starlet. It's like a reddish color. I should have applied some glitter glue. I kind of forgot. So I'm not sure where I'm going with this look, so bear with me. I'm just trying to use as many colors as possible. So that color is really pretty. It's like a copper, but it has like a peach pink reflex. Really, really pretty. Okay, so that's that. I think I'm gonna go in with my glitter glue. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced glitter glue, the one I used for all my looks. I'm gonna add a little bit to a brush and just apply it to the bare lid. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to go in with, I think I'm gonna try Adriatic, which is this aqua blue right here, and I'm gonna apply that to the inner part of the lid for like a pop of color. Okay, so I think I like how this color looks. So now, and I'm leaving it just in the inner corner. So bring like a pop of teal. Okay. Alrighty, so now I think I'm gonna go in with Dainty, which is this pink color right here, and I'm going to go with my finger and apply it to the middle of the lid. This color has like a, I don't know, it's pink, but it has like some sort of a, I can't explain it. I think it's gonna bring out either the blue or the teal. Ooh, so beautiful. And I'm going to bring it over that teal and the color Starlet. I could have also gone in with the zesty color too, but there's just so many ways that you can use, so many combinations that you can use with this palette. Alrighty. And I'm so sorry, I forgot to mention the brushes that I was using. So for this Starlet color, I used the Sedona Lace EB09. So I'm going to grab a little bit more. And that Starlet color is this copper color right here. At least that's what it looks like. Just going to grab a little bit more. And intensify this outer part and blend it into that Dainty color. So it's gonna look a little bit seamless. There we go. Now I'm gonna grab the Morphe times Mickey and Friends MM1, and this is the brush that I used, the Adriatic color, which is this aqua color or teal, and I'm just gonna grab a little bit more of that color to intensify. Actually, now I want to use this mint frost color right here. I'm just gonna put that over the Adriatic color. See what it does. Ooh, it intensified that color a little bit more. Oh, I love this color. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look so pretty. Alrighty, and now for the crease, I used Bellini, which is this peach color right here, and I used the Luxie 205 tapered blending. So I'm gonna grab more of Bellini, and I'm just gonna stamp it a little bit around the edges because I don't want to lose that color. Okay, and as you can see, I have a little bit of fallout, but to me that's not a problem because I always do my eyes before my my face makeup, so that's not a problem. I could just easily wipe it off, but it does have. All right, now I'm going to do the other eye. Alrighty, so I really like how it looks. I'm pretty sure it's gonna look a lot better once I have my face done. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add some liner, lashes, do my face complexion, then I'll come back and I'll show you the final result. So I'll be right back. And I'm back. So this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I really like this. Oh, I really am enjoying this palette. This is gonna be so fun for the springtime. I have so many color combinations I can use using this palette. It's crazy. Like, I feel like I could do 2, 3, 4, even 5 more looks using this palette. I think it's so beautiful. So I am going to be having so much fun with this palette come spring. And just for reference, I used Bellini, which is this peach one. I used Starlet, which is this like copper color. It's like orangey red. That one had a lot of fallout. Adriatic, which is this aqua or turquoise color. It's so beautiful and it's so intense. Like, one swipe and you can see so much pigment, unlike Bellini where it's a color that you have to build up. And then on top of Adriatic, I used Mint Frost that added like added some more shimmer to that color, but nonetheless it's beautiful. Oh, and Dainty is a pretty color as well. I used it right in the middle of the color Starlet and Adriatic, so it has that beautiful shimmer. I am really content with the look that I did today and my previous one. So yeah, I'm gonna take a break from using this palette, and I'm gonna do other looks with other palettes, but expect to see this in future videos for future spring looks, because I really enjoy it. I didn't think I was gonna enjoy this palette because I don't wear too many pastel colors, but the colors are really nice. And I guess, like, usually with palettes that are so colorful like this, that don't really have like a neutral brown or good transitions colors, I get stuck because I'm like, okay, well, how am I gonna create a look? But for spring, all these pastels colors, I don't know, they inspire me to do these soft, bright, yet soft, fresh looks. Like, I can't even know, I don't even know how to explain it, but I did enjoy the I am enjoying the palette. So yeah, this is the look I came up with. I really hope you enjoyed today's look, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.